The Massey Ferguson 62 and 8200 series. Powerful engineering, powerful products, powerful support. The Massey Ferguson 62 and 8200 series. Powerful engineering, powerful products, powerful support. 3-point power. This new generation of Massey Ferguson tractors are engineered to meet the toughest demands, to exceed them, with power, protection, with perfect control. They are powered by the latest generation Perkins and Valmet engines, providing more torque and more available power. There's easier engine access with a new liftable bonnet. And these new green engines provide lower noise levels, lower emissions and less fuel consumption. Good news for you and the environment we live in. There is a revolutionary yet simple new gear change. We added the very latest generation power shuttle to the Dynashift transmission to give you Dynashift Plus. This provides full forward and reverse shuttle and allows you to change direction at any speed, under any load, without using the clutch. But what sets these tractors apart is the fact that 3 functions can now be found on just one left-hand lever. It allows fingertip control of the Dynashift, the power shuttle and the clutch, not only increasing agility when turning on the headland, but importantly, keeping your right hand free to operate the hydraulic controls. Combine this with a new short right-hand gear lever with a logical gear pattern for even better control. There is a new generation 8200 series power shift gearbox. This advanced yet durable design provides 18 forward and 8 reverse speeds by using a highly efficient arrangement of electronically controlled clutch packs, ensuring the smoothest changes under all engine loads. It provides maximum reliability with minimum power loss while it fully protects the gearbox, and also benefits from the choice of left or right-hand control with the new power control system. The differential locks, PTO, hydraulic systems and four-wheel drive are monitored, controlled and protected by the transmission controller. This improves the quality of work by both protecting the tractor from any damage caused by operating errors and the driver from tiredness, as tasks that have been traditionally done manually are controlled automatically. The 8200 rear axle assembly is a completely new design, simply the strongest, most durable and most reliable in the business. It is engineered to ensure that the high power and torque produced by these tractors is transmitted to the ground and to the implement with total efficiency. Performance is improved even further by the latest generation electronic linkage control system, which instantly responds to changes in ground conditions to provide the most efficient weight transfer and even better traction for both front and rear wheels. Combine this with the Dynashift system to monitor performance and maximize tractor output, and you have perfect control. The lift capacity has also increased on all models and is matched to the tractor size. It is versatile and operates a wide range of linkage-mounted implements weighing up to 10 tons. The 82 and 6200 series are designed to respond with power at your fingertips and perfect control for all tractor operations. But perhaps most importantly, they protect the driver with a number of ergonomic features designed for comfort and ease of use. Advances in technology and increasing product sophistication must go hand in hand with reliability. It is this, above all else, that drives Massey Ferguson. It has tested every single component, both at their purpose-built test facility in Beauvais and, importantly, in field conditions. Thousands of hours have been devoted to ensuring that the groundbreaking engineering technology is durable, reliable, that it works. It can and will withstand the rigors of modern farming. The excellence of our engineering skills, the performance of our products, and the quality of our support package brings together the most powerful three-point system. Powerful engineering, powerful products, powerful support. Three-point power.